We did a blind study with our product and our competitor's product to test out how our Bluetooth technology could help in the installation and even service scenarios with the contractors. Did a timed evaluation of that, and we had really good results. So the Rheem product stacked up against the competitors with other furnace and condenser combinations. We checked the ability to clean a coil. We also checked the ability to do an install, further to optimize an install. So not just install, but optimize to certain conditions. And we saved 54% of the time against the competition.